A grant in aid is a transfer of money from one level of government to another. Here is how it functions in public finance. At its core, this is simply the movement of public funds from a central government to a local or state authority. The most important feature is that these funds are not loans. They are gifts designed to support specific public services. Governments use these grants to ensure that national priorities, like infrastructure or education, are funded even when local budgets are tight. Not all grants are the same. Categorical grants are for specific tasks, while block grants give local leaders more freedom to choose priorities. This chart shows a typical distribution of grant funding, where education often receives the largest share of public support. Ultimately, these grants are the bridge between national tax collection and the actual services you see in your own community. Understanding how government money moves helps you see how public services are funded. Thanks for watching and stay curious.